Mr. Khaw also reiterated that Singapore wants to see a soft landing for its housing market. Last year marked the first full year that home prices fell after several years of increase. This came amid government measures to cool the property market. Olivia Seong again with this report.
The current property cycle picked up from its trough in 2009. Between then and last year, HDB resale flat prices went up and reached a peak in 2013. But prices have since cooled. Outlining plans for its ministry in the year ahead, Mr. Khaw noted the government's efforts in taming the housing market has seen results. HDB resale prices have eased by close to 40% above the 2009 level. Over the same period, median household income has caught up, rising by 38%. But there were some MPs who cautioned that the government's efforts to rein in housing prices shouldn't be overdone.
We want a soft landing for our housing market because a market crash benefits no one. Ms. Fumiha said that we should not go into overdrive and unwittingly undermine the retirement plan of our seniors who look to their housing assets for monetization. I agree, and that's why we have substantially reduced the supply of new flats. Indeed, we should not overkill. The property market is in transition, and it's a time that calls for vigilance and nimbleness. We'll be careful.
With new flats being subsidized substantially, Mr. Khaw noted that those buying flats directly from the HDB have benefited even more. Compared to the increase in median household income, Mr. Khaw noted that with grants, prices of built-to-order flats in non-mature estates have grown by 6%. Last year, about 20,000 BTO flats were booked by Singaporeans. 90% of three-room flats were sold at below $250,000, while about 80% of four-room flats were sold under $350,000. Close to 90% of five-room flats were sold below $450,000. Mr. Khaw said that according to a survey, this was all within the amount the respondents had said they were willing to pay for a flat.
I would like BTO prices to be within 4 years of an applicant's annual salary. But this assumes that BTO applicants will be prudent in their choice of housing.
Mr. Khaw added that home ownership is not only a privilege of the rich. He noted that benefits of its home ownership policy have reached all income groups, including those from the lower income group. Between March 2012 and July last year, close to 1,500 families with household incomes below $1,000 booked a two-room flat.